Hey friends, this is Atif Hope here. And welcome to the new update on SLP. As in my earlier videos, I was showing you that SLP is breaking out a very big and huge descending triangle on the 7 days time frame chart. And this was my last video that I shared almost 1 day ago with you. Now, if you take a look at the live chart, then you can see that the price has moved more up, and now it is about to hit this long-term resistance of $0.004. That was previously breaking as a very strong resistance here, and support here as well. Therefore, again, it can work as a very strong resistance. By the way, on the daily time frame chart, you can see that the price has completely broken out this resistance of the triangle, and after the breakout, the price retested the previous resistance of the triangle as support and geared up. And before retesting the previous resistance of the triangle as support, the price was also rejected by this long-term resistance of $0.004. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report for the current month of November 2024 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like the trade setup for ADX, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal. Like this trade setup I shared almost 6 days ago with my members. And here you can also watch the complete trade setup as well, like this was a buying zone and sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and read the sell target zone. Now let me to take you to the live chart of SLP, and this is the 7 days time frame chart. And here you can see that for the past stable months, SLP is moving inside this descending triangle since after the month of October 2023. You can see that we had a bounce here, rejection, so many rejections here. Then we had another rejection here. Then we had so many touch points here at the support. Then the price geared up. And after this, 1 and 2 and 3 more rejections, finally the price broke out the resistance of the triangle. And now we are about to break out this long-term resistance of $0.004. That was previously working as a resistance here for a few weeks, and before that has been working as a resistance here, and support here as well. Therefore, again, it is working as a very, very strong resistance. If we take a look at the daily time frame chart, then you can see that when we broke out this triangle in the daily time frame, after that the price line was rejected by this resistance once again, retested the previous resistance of the triangle as support and geared up, and now we are again about to hit this long-term resistance of $0.004. And in case of breaking out this resistance of $0.004, an imminent move can be possible up to the next major resistance zone. That starts from $0.0085 and goes to 1 cent. That had been previously breaking as a very, very strong resistance zone here and support zone here back in the month of January 2022. By the way, the technical target for this breakout from this triangle can be here, slightly higher than this resistance zone. That is approximately at 1.18 cents. And if the price reaches there, then we can also break out this resistance zone very easily. And after that, the next major resistance will be here at 3 cents. And this 3 cents level has been previously working at a very strong resistance here. And if we take a look at the daily time frame chart and move more back when it was moving inside this previous falling wedge pattern, then we can see that this 3 cents this level has been previously working as a support here for several days as well. By the way, the long-term target for the breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern uh, can be here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 40 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis, and do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.